Hi guys, Saturday the 12th of February, Keynsham today, charity shop, gold or garbage, just 2 wooden puzzles. RSW Toys wooden craft construction kit. Cost me £1. Comes with a set of paint pots and a brush. But if you look at the actual picture, I think we can say that's identical to that one that I bought yesterday. I think it was yesterday. It's the same helicopter anyway. Not that that's a problem. Whether I make it or my grandsons make it, it'll just go into my stock for now. So, cost me £1. And then the next one, I'm absolutely 100% certain I've done one of these before. But it was £1.49. Originally bought in Paynton Zoo for £4.99. Interesting. Yeah, I'll just add that to my stock. My stock is building up quite a bit now. I say, absolutely certain I've done that one before. Whether it was the same size or not, I'm not sure. I have to have a look back through my archives. But that's it, just the 2 items today. 2 wooden kits. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.